A new feature on all 2016 models, except the Yaris and Scions, is the Siri Eyes free mobile assist. Siri can now be accessed by touching a button on the steering wheel. You'll need to make sure your phone is paired to the system. Now that your phone is paired, to access Siri, all you do is hold down the off-hook button on the steering wheel. You can do many things without having to touch your phone. You can check your email.
Siri, check email.
Checking your email. You have at least 25 emails. Here are the latest 3. The latest was sent at 1:36 p.m. from Bank of America with the subject, "Your cashback deals are about."
You can check sports scores.
What was the score of the Lakers game?
Looking for the Los Angeles Lakers. The Lakers snuck past the Heat in overtime yesterday. The final score was 102-100.
What about weather?
What is the weather for today?
Okay, the temperature today will range between 55 degrees and 66 degrees.
You can even check your calendar.
What's my calendar?
Checking. Tomorrow, you have an all-day appointment. Want to know more?
Another great feature is sending a text.
Send a message.
To whom should I send your message?
Sarah W.
What do you want to say to Sarah W?
Hello, how are you?
Your message says, "Hello, how are you?" Ready to send it?
Yes.
Done.
All this completely hands-free.